The course calendar in speXray is a simple tool designed to let you visualize certain important dates throughout your semester. It is not intended to be a heavyweight calendaring replacement. To get to the calendar for your course, go to your user menu and choose Course Calendar. The calendar will load with the current month visible. Items marked in red are the due dates that you have set for various requirements in your course. Events in gray are course events that you have established in the course settings screen. Events that are white with a brown border and a clock represent extensions that you have granted to students for assignments. At the moment, to move the calendar to a previous or next month, use these buttons here in the breadcrumb bar. The up arrow will load the previous month's calendar, and then the down arrow will load the following month. The months in the calendar flow together seamlessly.